when you think about buying foreclosure homes, because that was extremely hot at one point, you would do public record and you would prepare yourself to be a bidder at a foreclosure auction.
Yes.
And if you have not done your due diligence, especially with condos, you can find yourself in hot water. You're like, oh my goodness, I got this condo for $20,000, not realizing that there's another foreclosure existing because there was also a mortgage lien that was not being taken care of. Fast forward to tax liens, because there's other ways you can buy property off of the auction block, which is if you have a tax lien. And some people think this is the big golden buzzer because I can get this home for, $1,300, which can be true. If you pay someone else's taxes, you're getting the tax lien, you're getting the certificate.
Yep.
You have to wait a certain amount of time. Then you can convert that eventually through the clerk of the court to try to get a tax deed. But that goes to an auction. It's truly a process. But if you're one of the few successful persons or, persons to go through that process, one, the homeowner does have the right to pay you back. The investment part is you do have the interest, which is automatic, is due to Florida statute. But if the homeowner does not pay you back or pay off that lien, and you do go through that whole process of the foreclosure, auctioning off that property, it does wipe away all liens. And you could have it for $1,300.
Interesting.
But it's very, I shouldn't say rare, but you have to really have done your due diligence. And this person, and if there's another mortgage company, has to really, act like, we don't know what's going on. And if you look into foreclosure lawsuits, you'll oftentimes see the lender, the plaintiff, paying the taxes. They're paying the taxes not because they like you. They're paying the taxes because they don't want to lose their interest being in number one position because of a tax lien that can eventually turn into an auction sale.
Yes.
And so they want to capture all of their investments and not have that mortgage wiped out on the auction block because of a tax lien turned to a tax deed.